This 2020 Winnebago Navion 24V is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features a Harmony, Marbella Cherry interior, Sleep 6, Slideout, TV, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, stove top burner, awning, LP detector, refrigerator, self-contained, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Winnebago Navion 24V is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LV6, 188 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.